Hello everybody, welcome to TP-Link video. I'm Laura and this is Ahmed. So Ahmed, what do you have to show us today and can tell us about it?
Sure Laura, today I'm going to introduce the TLWR340GD wireless router. Now this router is an entry-level router which is dedicated to SOHO networks. So let me start by showing you the product itself. Okay, the router itself is basic and compact in design. Now it has 3 ventilation ports which allow sufficient airflow into the router. We have one here on the top and there's 2 on the bottom. Now on the front fascia we have the LEDs, and what they do is they allow to monitor different statuses of the router. Now you have the power LED, we have the system LED which shows whether you have a router, whether the router is working properly. We have the wireless LAN which indicates if there's a wireless device linked to the router, and we have the LAN LED, and that LED shows the corresponding port statuses. Now on the back panel we have 1 WAN port and 4 10100 LAN ports, and what they do is they allow you to build a safe and secure network.
So it seems like a very convenient product. Ahmed can tell us more about this wireless router.
Okay, the WR340GD is fully compatible with all 802.11g and 11b products. Now it has a basic routing function and advanced security. It also integrates the functions of wireless access points, firewall, 4-port switching and NAT routing. Now you can also set up a wired or wireless network to share your cable DSL or your cable internet connection. Now this router also supports various different connection types such as PPoE, PPTP, L2TP, Big Pond, etc. Now the WR340GD is also very easy to use. It can provide you with a quick setup guide which will help you to get started very easily and quickly. Now in this range there are 2 models, and they are, as I said before, the entry level models, and we have the TLWR340GD. Now this model comes with a detachable antenna which I'll just show you here, and what this allows is for you can upgrade to higher gain antennas. Now the other model is the WR340G, and that is exactly the same, but it comes with a fixed antenna.
So Ahmed, as you said, this is an entry-level product. Is it safe when used?
Yes, of course. Some of the advanced security features that the TLWR340GD provides are you can disable your SSID broadcast. It also has a built-in firewall and advanced security encryptions. Now, as I said, the WR340GD can be set to turn off its SSID broadcast, and what that does, it only allows the user who knows the SSID to access the router and connect to the network.
So like you said, people who do not know my SSID cannot access my network, right?
Yes, that's right, Laura. Furthermore, the router also provides advanced Wi-Fi security encryption such as WEP, WPA and WPA2. And what that does, it ensures that the wireless signal transmits safely back and forth throughout your network.
So what about the built-in firewall?
Okay, the built-in firewall, what that does, it helps to block and prevent any attacks to your network from any outside intrusions, whether it be a hacker or someone else looking for a signal. Now, this is very easy to set up, and you can do that via the router's webpage.
And in addition to the security, are there any other advanced features you can tell us today?
Yes, the WR340GD has a wireless bridge function which allows you to connect 2 LANs using 2 bridges at the same time. Now, what you do is you put the 2 bridges on each side, and that then acts just like an Ethernet cable but without the cable, and that allows you then to connect multiple devices to it. Now, if there's a wireless bridge such as the TLWA501G attached to the main switch of your office or home network, you can activate the WR340GD's bridge mode, and that will connect directly to the WA501G. Now, this will allow such devices as printer servers, IP cameras, or even game consoles to be connected to the router.
So one more question. Can you tell us how to build a network with this wireless router?
Yes, it's very easy to build a small network with this router, and I'll explain how. Now, as I mentioned before, there's 4 10100 LAN ports on the back, and what they're used for is a direct connection to the router. Now, most people will use this configuration for the very first time once setting up the router. Now, you can also connect these direct to your PC to get the full 100 megabit per second sharing speed. But if, for instance, your PC or your PCs are out of range and you can't use a wired connection, you can use your laptop or a wireless adapter such as the TLWN321G, and you can access the router with that. Now, the single WAN port on the back is used for a direct connection to your DSL modem or your cable modem, and that's for internet sharing.
For more features and all detailed information on all TP-Link products, please visit www.tp-link.com. Thanks for watching today, and until next time.